What's up, YouTube? Coming at you guys back with another video. Today is the day. We're going to be getting the TE37s installed, and we're going to be taking off the CE28s. Those wheels have been sold already. Thank you everyone for your interest. And if this is your first time on the channel, guys, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you're interested in CTR content or just automotive content in general. And hit that like button if you guys enjoy the video as well. So yeah, so we got the cars all ready. We have the wheels, they're in, everything's good to go. So yeah, so we'll be on our way shortly to Discount Tire for everything to be swapped over. So I'll check in with you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so this is the last look at the C28s. And we're at Discount Tire now, and we're going to be getting these wheels replaced with the TE37s. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Really happy with the wheel choice. Happy with the fitment. Very similar fitment to my CE28s. I love those wheels as well. Just decided to kind of change it up. These are a plus 38 offset. My CE28s were a plus 35. Really happy with the way they came out. If you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, did a photo shoot with a local photographer here in Las Vegas. The pictures came out awesome. I'm going to be uploading some of those pictures on my Instagram. So I'll leave the handle down below. Be sure to follow me there if you guys want to see some additional photos. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments. Other than that, it's going to be a wrap for this video. Thank you guys for all the support. My CE28s were sold. They did sell extremely quickly, so very happy with the interest I got in those. Thank you guys once again. But yeah, that's going to be a wrap for this video. And until the next one, I'm out.